Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome back to our channel. So it is currently 7:23 and the girls are up getting ready for school, and I'm also getting ready because they have an award assembly today. And I am so excited for my babies because they did amazing. I don't know what award they are getting. They just send a little note home letting you know that your child is getting an award. But I do know that they are getting perfect attendance. Both of the girls are getting perfect attendance. Janaea has literally had perfect attendance for the whole entire school year. She has not missed not one day. And she even went above and beyond and did a day of Saturday school just because. And Jakaya, she missed 2 days due to her being sick, but she did go to Saturday school and make it up. So she also has perfect attendance for the whole entire year. So I know for sure that they're getting perfect attendance for the whole entire year and a medal because they have perfect attendance for the whole entire year. So I'm so excited for my babies. Let's go see what they are doing. Not what you making this big old mess trying to clean your black shoes.
You can say black, girl.
But they're black, so what are you trying to clean?
It's all up in there.
Guys, look at this mess she done made.
It's because Kyle would have started in my shoes and got them dirty, so I had to clean up.
Anyways, how do you feel about getting, well, we know for sure, perfect attendance for the whole entire year?
I feel amazing, but I wish I went to Saturday school because it was so fun.
You did go to Saturday school and you didn't have to go.
I wanted to do it again.
Guys.
And I wanted to go to summer school.
Why?
It was fun.
Okay. Guys, show me a kid that want to do what they don't have to do.
I'm getting out of here.
You have your dress on backwards. Footy. Y'all excuse their room. They act like they got a dirty day room up to get dressed.
Oh my god.
How do you put your whole... You can look at that dress and tell that it's on backwards.
You want to help me?
You didn't ask. Guys, somebody come get her. All right, let's go see what Jakaya's doing.
Mommy.
Okay, guys, we have Jakaya. Hi, Miss Thang.
Hi.
How do you feel today?
I feel great.
What award do you think you're going to get besides perfect attendance?
Do
Do you think you're going to get another award?
Yeah.
What do you think you're going to get?
I might get... No, actually, no, I might not get another one because I only got one paper. And a lot of people got 2 papers in my class.
What does that mean?
That means that you got 2 awards.
Well, at least how do you feel about having perfect attendance?
Good.
That's a big milestone to have no missed days, and then the 2 days you missed due to being sick, you made it up. So that's amazing.
Thank you.
Guys, why does she got this grandma sweater on?
It's actually mine.
You clean this room up.
It's actually mine.
Guys, I fixed her dress. Doesn't it look much better? Look at them. My babies look cute. Do you think you're going to get something besides perfect attendance?
Yeah. I'm not going to promise that I will, but I think I will.
Well, it doesn't matter if you do or you don't. I'm still proud of you. Perfect attendance is a huge milestone. So I'm still proud of you no matter what. Even if you wasn't getting any awards, I would be proud of you.
I think I'm going to get, I moved up in reading. I moved up in math. So I think I'm going to get a reading award and a math one. And then maybe a science, a science one because our whole class did the science experiment. So I think that one too, and then perfect attendance.
Well, like I said, even if you don't get any other award but perfect attendance, I am still proud of you guys. Jakaya, it is your last award assembly in elementary. How do you feel?
Good. It's sad.
You have 2 more days and you are officially a 6th grader.
No.
All right, guys, they got to go finish cleaning this room up before it's time to take them to school. So see you when we get to their award assembly. Guys, I am really so proud of the girls. They've always had perfect attendance, but they've never had perfect attendance for the whole year. And at the end of the year, when it comes time to handing out the medals for having perfect attendance for the whole entire year, they will always get sad. So literally the end of last year, both of the girls made a goal for themselves that they wanted to have perfect attendance for the whole entire year. And when I say they stuck to it, they stuck to it. Like, it was like pulling teeth to get them to not go to school because they were sick or because, and I'm just so proud of them. Like, that is a big milestone to want to go to school and not just want to go to school, but to have the to, you know, want to make it up on a Saturday when you don't have to go to school. Like, I am just truly proud of my babies, and they set that goal and they accomplished it, baby, because they are getting the medals today, and I couldn't be any more prouder. Not her acting like she don't see us.
This is a word for reading, and that again is 100% or more improvement in their iReady scores. During the year, that is Janaya Irvin.
Woo!
Matthew Martinez Sandoval. Isabella Ruiz Marquez. Ezra Johnson. Sage Alexander.
Janaya Irvin. Matthew Martinez Sandoval. You said Matthew's not here? Oh, he is here. Okay. All right, Richard Gomez and Mrs. Gomez. It's time for the Chinese here.
Class Janaya Irvin. Matthew Martinez Sandoval. Richard Gomez. Sophia Reyes. Aaliyah Kimmels.
Janaya Irvin. Richard Gomez and Mrs. Garnica's friends. Gianna Henderson and Mrs. Garnica's friends. Efren Jara and Mrs. Garnica's friends. Mika Medina and Mrs. Garnica's friends. Adriana Quiros and Mrs. Janaya Irvin and Ishmael Alarcon and Miss H's class. Alba Martinez and Miss H's class. Jose Hernandez and
Yeah, I am so proud of my baby. She got 5 awards and she got her medal. I am so proud of her. Look at that. She didn't even think she was going to get anything besides perfect attendance, and my baby ended up walking away with 5 awards and her medal. Guys, I am so proud of her. Next up is Jakaya's award ceremony, so let's see what my baby gets. I am so proud, guys.
Starting with our iReady, which is our diagnostic benchmark from the district. We have one for reading and math. So students who grew 100% in reading and math will receive a certificate today. Also, we have awards for students who are approaching proficiency in grade level standards in reading and math. We also have the same awards for students who are proficient in their grade levels in reading and math. Our last award will be for attendance. We have a bronze, that is 3 absences. The silver, which is 2 absences, a gold, which is 1 absence, and platinum, which is 0 absences for the trimester. And we also have students who got 0 absences the entire year. All right, my friends. Hello, 5th grade. How are we doing? This is your last assembly for award. How are you feeling about that? And this side's really quiet. I know a lot of you very well on this side. They're all really quiet. Hello. I am so proud of you. I know you guys have been through some bumps this year, but I've seen a lot of growth in all of you, and you're getting ready to go to middle school, which is exciting. Jakaya Irvin.
Woo!
Jakaya Irvin and Miss Kevin Cervantes Barra. English Language Arts Achievement goes to Jakaya Irvin. Kevin Cervantes Barra. Brandon Delgado in Mr. Marshall's class.
Jakaya Urban. And Mr. Marshall's room, Pedro Reyes. And Mr. Marshall's room, Jonathan Santana. 0 absences for the trimester. So last trimester, really proud of you, congratulations. Mr. Marshall's room, Jakaya Urban. In Mr. Marshall's classroom, Iris Perez. And in Mr. Marshall's classroom, Zamaya Alexander. In Mr. Marshall's classroom, Griselda Castillo. Sorry, Mr. Mercado's classroom, sorry about that. Marshall's class, Jakaya Urban. Platinum attendance, our last student, 5th grade, Mr. Marshall's room.
You guys, proud is an understatement. Jakaya got 6 awards and a medal for all year perfect attendance, guys. I am so proud of my girls. Like, their summer is about to be cracking. I'm so proud of them, guys. Guys, I just made it home and I'm so proud, but I also forgot to add that Jakaya got the most awards out of the whole 5th grade class. Like, I can't even say it enough. I am so proud of my babies, but this just goes to show you that hard work and dedication, it really pays off. My babies had a goal and they reached their goals and achieved their goals. This morning, as you guys see, they thought that they were only going to get 1 award and they ended up walking away with Janaea having 5 awards and a medal and Jakaya having 6 awards and a medal. I am so proud of them, guys. Please, if the comments are open, please comment in the comment section. Congratulations, girls. We're proud of you because that's a huge achievement. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of our videos. This summer is about to be lit. I'm going up for my babies because they deserve it. Bye. I'm out.